Platform clear, dispatcher.
And immediately I want to compare it to Penguin Trek, so I'm going to. Liked it a lot more than Penguin Trek. It was way more fun. Did it rattle? Yes. Why? I don't know. But it wasn't as bad as Penguin Trek, but it was still extremely noticeable. So I really wish that B&M would figure that out, because it would be like a great ride if it didn't rattle all the time. Oh, I have to go in a shop?